Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you guys are doing well in this COVID-19 situation and taking all the precautionary measures. I'm sure you missed your classes, so today we are going to interact through a video lecture. In the previous video, you learned about the concept of adverbs and their types. Now we are going to do some worksheets about them. So the first worksheet is about adverb of frequency. Worksheet number is 23 and it is on page number 32. First of all, write down the date and the day on your workbooks. Question number 1 is rewrite the following sentences by adding the given adverbs correctly. Here a sentence is given to you and in the brackets an adverb is given. What you have to do is to rewrite the sentence by adding the adverb in its appropriate place. But how are you going to do that? Keep in mind that adverb of frequency usually come before the verb and after the linking verb. Few examples of linking verbs are is, am, are, was, were, has and have. Now in sentence A, Haris studies at home in the evening and the adverb is always. What is the verb here? Here the verb is studies, so the given adverb always will come before studies. We can rewrite this sentence as Haris always studies at home in the evening. B part, Haris is at home in the evening and the adverb is always. In this sentence there is no verb but there is a linking verb, that's is. So the given adverb always will come after is. Thus this sentence can be rewritten as Haris is always at home in the evening. Now that I have explained the first two parts, I want you to solve the rest of the worksheet by yourself. I'm going to read out the next sentences and after solving it by yourself, you can match your answers. Part, the mail comes at noon and the adverb is usually. D part, the mail is here by noon. Again the adverb is usually. E part, I take a lunch break at 2 o'clock and the adverb is normally. F part, I am in the lunchroom at 2 o'clock and the adverb is normally. G part, Ben comes late and the adverb is often. H part, Ben is late and again the adverb is often. Question number 2, write the correct form of the given verbs to complete each sentence. Here some verbs are given in the peach colored box on the right hand side. You have to put these verbs in the blank spaces. A part, Irfan and Bilal seldom dash a blue shirt. Does the verb go seems appropriate here? Irfan and Bilal seldom go a blue shirt? No, of course not. Does the verb wear seems appropriate here? Irfan and Bilal seldom wear a blue shirt? Yes. B part, Amelia usually dash her mother in the kitchen. The correct answer will be helps. Amelia usually helps her mother in the kitchen. In the similar manner, you have to fill the rest of the blanks. C part, Ihsan and his dad always dash for camping in the summers. D part, it never dash in the deserts. E part, Alia generally dash an apple in her lunch. F part, my teacher often dash a math test every week. G part, Amara normally dash a pearl necklace. H part, he seldom dash to the radio. I part, I never dash chicken because I'm a vegetarian. Now we are going to do worksheet number 24, which is on page number 33. Again, write down the date and the day. Question number 1, fill in the blanks with suitable adverbs of manner from the box. So, as you know that adverb of manner tell us that how or in which manner the action occurs. Here in the black colored box, you are given adverbs of manner. you have to fill in the blanks using the correct adverb of manner. A part, the accident occurred because he rode dash. Could it be correctly? The accident occurred because he rode correctly? No. The correct answer would be the accident occurred because he rode carelessly. B part. She got the first prize because she sang dash. The correct answer would be sweetly. C part. He aimed for the target dash. D part. The teacher asked who can answer the question dash. E part. Get away from my sight, the man shouted dash. Question number 2. Circle the adverbs of time in each sentence below. Adverb of time tell us that when or at what time the action occurs. A part. They visited the market yesterday. When did they visit the market? They visited the market yesterday. So underline yesterday. B part. We are going to meet our aunt today. When are they going to meet their aunt? They are meeting their aunt today. So underline today. C part. A son watches a movie once a week. D part. A king lived in the palace many years ago. E part. Mother said the dinner will be ready in a few minutes. Question number 3. Answer the following questions and circle the adverbs of frequency in your answers. Adverbs of frequency describe how often something occurs. As you can see, there is a man holding a list of adverbs. You have to use these adverbs in your answers. A part. How often do you drink milk? Now it's up to you to decide which adverb you are going to use. If you drink milk often, you can say I often drink milk. If you seldom drink milk, you can say I seldom drink milk. Here I am answering it like I occasionally drink milk. B part. How often do you eat fish? Now, if you like to eat fish, you can say I frequently eat fish, or if you don't like to eat fish, you can say I rarely eat fish. It's totally up to you. C part. How often do you sing songs? D part. How often do you see a doctor? E part. How often do you clean your room? Now we're going to do worksheet number 25, which is on page number 34. Again, write down the date and the day. Question number 1. Refer to the table above and complete the sentences. So basically, there are 4 cartoon characters, Goofy, Sylvester, Tom and Jerry, which I'm sure that you're already familiar with. And then there are some activities like going to cinema, playing tennis, watching TV, etc. This table shows that which cartoon character carries out which activity how often. So you have to answer the blanks using this table. A part. Goofy dash goes to the cinema. If you see the peach colored row, you find that Goofy usually goes to the cinema. B part. Sylvester dash plays tennis. Check out the blue colored row and you find that Sylvester sometimes plays tennis. Now you have to fill in the rest of the blanks in the similar manner. C part. Tom dash watches TV. D part. Jerry dash listens to the radio. E part. Sylvester dash rides the bike. F part. Jerry dash goes to the cinema. G part. Tom dash plays tennis. H part. Jerry dash rides a bike. Question number 2. Answer these questions. Here again the same table is given and you have to answer these questions using the table. How often does Goofy play tennis? If you see the peach colored row, you find that Goofy never plays tennis. B part. How often does Sylvester go to the cinema? If you see the yellow colored row, you find that Sylvester seldom goes to the cinema. C part. How often does Tom listen to the radio? D part. How often does Jerry watch TV? E part, how often does Goofy ride a bike? Now that you have solved your worksheets, I'm going to show you the answers of worksheet number 23, page number 32. Question number 2. Now I'm going to show you the answers of worksheet number 24, page number 33. Question number 2. Question number 3. Now, answers of worksheet number 25, page number 34 are going to be displayed. This is it for today. I hope you understood these worksheets and this video was helpful to you. See you soon.